Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to begin by welcoming the batch of 2011 and our friends, parents, family, teachers, and branch coordinators, our finance and college registrar, Ma'am Lordy Del Prado, and our beloved President and Founder, Sir Manny Del Prado. We stand gathered together to celebrate the accomplishment of the 2011 class of Imus Computer College. To my fellow graduates, we made it. We finally made it. Congratulations. Congratulations not only to us graduates for achieving excellence in academics and athletics, both in school and out, but also congratulations to our teachers, parents, friends, families, and branch coordinators. Our success is your success, for you have given us the freedom to dare, the courage to excel, and the belief that we can achieve our best. You have been there for us with support and care. You had faith when we doubted ourselves. For all these things, we, the batch of 2011, thank you. I still remember when I was young, gusto ko talaga mag-aaral sa kolehiyo. Naiingit ako sa mga estudyante na nag-aaral sa kolehiyo. Ngunit sa dahilang mahirap ang buhay at walang kakayanan ng aking mga magulang na ako ay pag-aralin sa kolehiyo, ay napilitan ako na magtrabaho para makatulong sa kanila at sa aking mga kapatid. Hanggang sa kilala ko ang aking husband. His name is Arniel Estrella at nagkaroon kami ng isang anak. Hanggang sa naisipan kong mag-aral muli. I know it's never too late. I know that education is not limited to young people, and education is a continuous learning process, even if you are in late years. I had some miraculous advice that would alter the course of your entire life. Kung ang ating pong mga magulang ay may kakayanan na magpag-aralin tayo, ay huwag po nating sayangin. Huwag natin sayangin ang ating panahon sa walang kabuluhang mga bagay at mga kalayawan. Bagkus pagsikapan natin matapos ito. Habang bata pa kayo ay mag-aral kayo mabuti. Tandaan natin na ang edukasyon ay mahalaga. Ang edukasyon ay isang kayamanan na hindi mananakaw sa atin saan man tayo makarating. Let me tell you a quote. A diploma is not a piece of paper, but a key to doors of opportunities. Sana'y magsilbing aral sa inyo, aking mga kamag-aral, ang mga nabanggit ko ngayong hapon. I still remember when I first arrived in our class. Everybody was excited to meet their classmates and teachers. Some mistaken me that I was their teacher, and as we go along, we became one family in the class. They usually call me Manny, na itinatawa ko ng mga Manny. Mayroon ako isang anak, ngunit sa klase ay madami akong naging anak ng mga lalaki at babae. Most of my classmates are young and very vibrant on their personality. Some of them are married like me, and some of them are already employed to a company. Even some of them are not my classmates. I receive from them good respect and courtesy. I would like to mention few of them like Angie, who became a close friend to me, who don't hesitate to consult me in her problems. I know, Angeli, you would have a good future in life. Just stay good and love your parents and job. I will also mention my naughty classmate named Lito, who is the joker of the class. Walang dull moments kapag kasama ang batang ito. Nakakatuwa siya. I also like to mention Leia, Roxanne, Sheila, Ivy, Laribet, Tinay, Jane, Angelica, Ren, Jeremy, and Harris. I will never forget you guys from being a good student and accepting me as your friend, even there is a long gap on our age. I really enjoy your company, guys. I hope in the future that you will be successful that you will be successful in your respective career, and we will meet again. And now, I would like to thank the teachers in ICC English branch, especially to Ma'am Maylene Baltasar. For me, she is the best teacher I ever had. She is not only a teacher for me, but a good friend who always sent me encouraging message. I would also like to thank Ma'am Arnie Sanares. I admire for her perseverance in guiding us in our day-to-day lesson, as well as being a good branch coordinator and a good teacher in our class. I would also like to thank our teacher in a major subject, Sir Benedict Sarmiento. He is not only good in teaching academic subject, but also good in injecting some humorous learning in our class. And to the teachers that I did not mention, thank you very much and job well done. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the President of ICC, Mr. Del Prado, and his lovely wife. I wish that ICC will expand its mission not only in the province of Cavite, but also in other places in the country. I really think that ICC helps a lot of students to find a better job and to hone them to become a good citizen of this country. Let me have this opportunity to thank my husband and my daughter in helping me to fulfill my dreams. They are with me in all my challenges in my studies. I wish that we will stay together as a happy family. And lastly, thank you very much to our Almighty God for guiding us the blessings that will usually help us a lot in our future lives. We join forth now in hope and inspiration, all of us sharing our common legacy, all of us proud ICC of Little Town Reviews, all of us members of the graduating class of 2011 Pride. May we go forth to prevail. Thank you and may God bless us.